Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy's name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we're letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence. Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, he is defending Kevin Tillibot Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So yeah, so this is part 3 of of the 10-part series of this, talking with this policeman. You're going to hear him in his fullness. He's telling you about his experience and tell you some things that you won't hear anywhere else but at the Jamaica Young Police channel. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Just remember, guys, to if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, subscribe. Like the video, post a comment below and let us know, what do you think? Share your thoughts.
The mother did left a portion of money and Tilford Barrett. Tilford Johnson Barrett. It's alleged. And when animal, we get M16 to keep on key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and we have it. Because we up a camp with them every time, up a camp. Yeah. So we get the gun. So we gun now in position. So animal take the gun now and go bodyguard just a Ford. And invite just a Ford. One next police is the mobile named Nelson, where they own a club on him. I think they need left to work or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But Nelson did stand up back at just a Ford. Animal sign himself in a private car, in plain clothes with the AR-15.
Mm-hmm.
I run back at just a Ford because my boots in kind like excitement. It's like all the morning when Radcliffe dead. It's an animal clear crowd. Animal just hold M16 and wheel off it and spray it, and people just run up and down. So then he used to boost him. You get me?
Yeah.
And he lose the work in at the same time in there. Like he's not supposed to be behind just a Ford. But this to say that same work, them and the same people will boost you. When that time for you lose your job,
them just left you out there.
They're not left you out there. But I wouldn't say that about me, because me the mobile I play football and when my duty a man time, you just see football.
Also, you used to play football for my mobile.
Yeah, man, for 2-3 months, me that road, me not come on the work. Me just do home. Now, a girl a Spanish too, and them do straight. So one time now, so 3 months, me have a virgin them with our Spanish, we not come on the work. I told about football. For some reason, we just, it's like no care attitude. And then we go back to work now, and while Inspector named Labor McDonald, come and write one document, like in that say, if a desertion or whatever. So they did their name, Miss. That's what she did name.
Miss Evans?
Yeah, Miss Evans, yeah. Assistant super at the time. Miss Evans said, he said, what I'm here? And I said, Miss Evans, you don't know, sir. Whatever. I have a girl come from Canada and whatever. And he said, Mr. Laban, take up the document. So, may I tell you for this, sir, that. Some police will do this and get in trouble. And some police will do that and get in no trouble. But it's a job where, you never cut out feet like some man. Those are those things where my brother them have become police and become police.
So you didn't know a cool youth when what Indian youth you come from? I wish where you come from, don't a Rocky Point you come from?
Nah man, I come from Manchester.
Oh, okay, but you know Tillibot them thing there.
Yeah, I go down there in 2000.
Oh, so you sit around them down at Manchester, down at Clarendon there?
No, who's that there around them? Me not there around them. My brethren there around them, but me down there.
Well, you don't say you did there around them when them. So alright, so you know say you did there on the scene and them thing there. So why you did have?
Yes, you did have. Me not there around. And the Taliban now do them something there. Them they were a different section. They were for them place. They were Gimbit. Neither a race course.
Oh.
You get me?
So you know. So you know a brother when he not Wink.
know, I told we talk about him. Me hear about him, you know, but I think I talked to him on the phone one time.
Cause people them say him I only one where him when him there and them think him make the community much better and them thing no man Natty Wink.
Wink?
Yeah.
The one from Waterlane?
Yeah.
Is that the man that go right now, the man they want him like hot bread? Who have the man they have problem, man, Bridget? Oh, if it peace. The mad man, you know how much money man make dead, Bridget?
Them say him
peace. Him now them respect the Bridget.
Natty Wink?
No, sir.
So what have respect down there?
Where down there?
Mm-hmm.
It's only cool youths, man. Natty Wink, people afraid of him, you know. Remember, a man afraid of somebody with a nasty. You have your house and you know you can't show for your house. If you don't respect you, the people that see you, you can't go down there because you have people in a problem and you kill off people and people kill off food and stuff, man.
But them say Tiliba kill for him brother and them thing there.
Them man they can't. No man, not go so man. Let me show you something. The youth, I told you we are talking about you know.
So who shoot Natty Wink, mother?
Mother? I'm a other man down there. Think about if you get involved now. Don't think about that party.
We're not talking about him physically do it, you know. We are talking about him influence. You're going like saying you know them things.
No, him not do that, brother. Oh God, man. Think about it. That not concern him. Whatever. What concern him is that I'm some man. That the man I'm some man from England. No problem, Bridget.
Oh, Natty Wink.
Yeah.
What the other brother from England? He wanted that prison attack?
No, me don't in that prison today.
What him name? Let me say if you know. What him name?
Oh, Bobo.
Yeah.
And them man ain't a problem. You get me?
Yeah.
And them and them. Just put Tiliba them. Money like nice, you know. Some man can concentrate on money and I bring badness for them. They don't know that to support them. Man intelligent, but they not learn time with them. Most time, maybe say, me hear them say something about Tiliba then too. When I tell someone you dead down here and they say Tiliba, the woman on Facebook put up it. That nothing to do with Tiliba, but why Tiliba that take up people business for them?
Well, because he's not terrorist, man.
Hey, one time, me hear you say something to you.
Yeah.
This every Friday, you say, this guy Philippe.
Yeah.
Jamaica, I tell you what, you always say that, refer, when you say that. Oh, that guy Philippe. People really tell you that, support that.
Hold on. You're the boy himself, you're Guy Philippe himself, on the channel.
So what Guy Philippe say?
Myself, you're the recording of him.
No, sir.
I want to hear. Just go and listen
to.
Look here, for nearly an hour. Me record for nearly an hour.
You know that Guy Philippe that?
Just listen to it, man. Listen. It's on the channel, man. It's on the channel.
So what Guy Philippe say?
Alright, well, I'm not gonna go into details on them thing because them thing the information. We never put it on the channel because we don't want everything we're going to put out on anything. We just put the record in there where him attack and I call my name. So boy, you will hear it. And when I tell all that girl say him good in a spot. Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. Spanish and Creole and them thing and all of them something. That Warwick Hill Him last year December and him carry all M16 them in go Jamaica. Tiliba and first part him stop was Rocky Point. I'll give Tiliba the M16 them. You know.
You believe that, Mr. Porter?
100%.
People wicked online.
No,
one time
it's not. It's not people.
People call you and tell us, say, some man up on the roof with them 16. Hey, remember, say, me never hear that, Bridget. Remember, some people down the scene, me a woman, me a baby mother down there, Bridget.
Where you talk? You talk when them have to dance down there and them thing and them have fight with the rifle them. Then so where you say, alright, so hold on it. So alright. So when hold on.
Video it and said he gonna show you every proof.
Alright, well let's listen. That's it. Alright, see. So if somebody stays and send you a video with dance and all them thing and people, listen, man. Alright, so why? But if me stay down and release that video now on the channel, you know so people inside of the dance we know who send it. Yes or no? Yeah, all police, you know.
Maybe not.
Although you claim say you know that smart and them thing, because you never like the work and them thing there.
Never like it.
Yeah.
I mean, like that's still the longer.
Yeah. So I ask you, if me stays and post that video now, you know if you say somebody inside the dance, I gonna know who did video it. Okay. So me can't put it up on them thing then. But remember say you know saying same have the police them in them pocket at Clarendon, all of them.
You sure? I like police. So that we say police. No police are Clarendon.
Well, it's a general statement. You understand? Him control a large segment of them. DIU man them. Cause you know say police them take out the man them will crash the plane.
Police.
Hey, yeah. Then just say me.
Alright, I'm going to read this report. The plane crash.
Yeah.
So me answer to you. If you DIU man into the plane, you tell me say the man them a mocha can know all of them is something. I know.
And question the police them. Then mocha.
The thing step up here now, modernize everything. Whatever a person do, the system know.
Yeah.
But it's just the right time for them go ahead and do whatever. Not true. Do you know that?
Yeah.
So we have the capability now. So why I don't know? When I say DIU man,
Then tell the band them the friend man, the DIU man, them a pay man. I'm control them, you know. And even when them transport drugs, I see him police carry him drugs, see him. A Clarendon. Then I see him there. Hey, look here. One thing I can't tell you, you know. One thing with people, you know. People don't tell lie upon police that easy, especially when it come on to corruption, you know. People, you understand what I'm saying? Nobody never say when me a police boy I'm used to sell drugs or I'm used to thief, coke and all them something there. Can me not do it?
That's the brother. You know here when I hear
ugly some.
I'm not go so.
No.
You hear them, try to get back. Some people will say all kind of things.
No man, hey look here, ugly something of politics because me I speak the truth. Me born and look here, me born and growing up at the heart of the belly of the beast. Where ugly some come from, you know, where ugly some come from, you know. I pay thief and I pay dunce people come from out there, so lazy people. Them not
East Kingston,
out of Rockford, man, I pay thief. My family out there, you know, and them are all corals, you know, some of them, you know. The one them, we all the corals, them left, but the corals, the one them still out there, same way. We think like him, them thief, them like police, although me and my family, them thing there. How you mean, them, I tell you. So him now, you hear how much lie him tell me, you hear how much murder him tell some.
Alright,
you hear
that's what I tell you now. So same like how him can't tell a lie.
No, and
some people tell lie, but people are Jamaica too, you know.
No,
but when they don't like you know, brother.
No, the reason why ugly some do them thing there and them thing, because he might try if chat down, he might try if he make me look bad. But remember at first, you know, the amount of murder where him say me kill all people all in them sleep. You know, you hear all I want there?
Yeah. So me I say, so why me bring this over up? Me I say, me don't believe what ugly someone say now. But so when a person try to challenge his career, they will come and go. Remember, say the Integrity Commission. You know what I'm about? We not touch money too.
No man, look here. The Integrity Commission now no integrity. Let me tell you this.
But listen,
listen, what me I tell you.
A man say them have a marijuana investigation. And if the people don't tell lie, you then go investigate.
Yeah, so integrity.
No go so.
Yeah.
The man is still have to run the investigation.
So
the man will tell lie,
yeah, so all
I'm not proof, me not run with it.
yeah, well, no, that's why I tell you say integrity commissioner no commission, no integrity, because you understand? Is a thing that will tarnish people character and reputation. You know if you do that.
All right, but
Yeah,
I do here.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Man say,
Once them get a report, them have to
when you take out of him house. I mean, the man listen talk show a lot, you know.
Yeah.
So I give knowledge, you know.
True. Yeah, man.
You have a big sense of that nonsense.
The integrity commissioner, I look here. You say the brother when you Trevor Manu. Mr. people I put all
you don't know some about brigadista.
No, no good that Trevor Manu responsible. Trevor Manu is the man we give at stepper them gun out of East Kingston, you know. You hear about the at stepper gang?
No, I hear about them.
Okay, a Trinity kill them off, you know.
Oh, okay. Trevor Manu is the man.
Yeah, man, them man, them a burger girl, yeah, him give them M16 rifles. Some don't know how him become. Hey, I'll even see him place on a water lane, they are clearing and him man M16.
So, WPG, right?
Yes, Workers' Party of Jamaica. Them
Workers' Party was Trevor Manu squad, right?
Yeah, man, I was film thing, man. All in 86.
So PMP, all them used to say, some brigadista. So a brigadista and WPG went to Cuba.
No, man, the WPG is a breaker from the PMP because you say if Michael Manley win back in 1980, they would have killed him like how they kill Maurice Bishop.
WPG they kill him?
Yeah, I mean, Lambert Brown and them, man. You never know that. The whole of them, yeah, man, Lambert Brown, a communist, man, where PMP senator now. Yeah, you think, hey, let's see Mark Bolin go on and them thing. You think Mark Bolin can't touch all them guys, the Lambert Brown?
Why can't it?
You know, hey. Number one, you don't know Lambert Brown, man. You must think Lambert Brown a nice boy. Although you see him there, thing there. Yeah. Look here. If you notice, yeah. So we have come to the end of part 3 of this 10-part series. You know, having this conversation with this former police officer who has been, you know, honest. You know, for most of it, in most of the conversation. But you know, you can see that he has some tendency of, you know, criminal-minded person in which he, you know, use some jargon and all these things. But, you know, the most important thing in life is that when somebody having a conversation, they're being honest. And I can say that, you know, he has been honest, not 100%, but, you know, he has been an honest contributor to the Jamaica Young Police Channel program. And that's what we tell you all the time, you know. If there's something that you have heard on the channel and you disagree, you can contact the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And, you know, we hear your grievance, you know, 954-556-0275. Hope you're enjoying the series so far. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.